Today we can be starting the next practical by using the 8086 microprocessor kit. Before we starting this practical, we know the totally 7 practicals are completed, and that all about the depend on your digital electronic circuits, and that the logic gates, then RS flip flops. Okay, totally 7 practicals that can be completed, and that all about the that can be uploaded on your YouTube channel. Today we can be starting the 8086 microprocessor. For the practical purpose, 8086 microprocessor, there is important thing is the we know firstly how to operating the x86 kit. Here there are given the procedure for the operating of the x86 kit. In that the totally steps are given is the 4 steps. Totally 4 steps are given. Okay. In that the first step is the to load the program. Then second step is the to load the data in memory. Then third step is the to execute the program, and fourth one is the checking content of register. Checking content of register means we can be see the result in a fourth step. We can be read the this all about the steps carefully before we loading the program. First step first step means we can be starting your programming by using these steps. Press escape key on your keyboard, that is your keyboard, and it's your 8086 microprocessor kit. That's your keyboard. We can be press escape key, then press E means expand key. After that, pressing the expand key, there are seen LITY, then seen LITY, then we can be typing A. A means your program is the assembly language. A means your program is the assembly language. At that time, A and your segment address, we can be press the segment address, then your program address, segment address and the program address. Segment address means your the okay. First step is the to load your program in memory. At that time, we can be press escape key, then expand key. At that time, on this screen, we have seen the LITY. After that, we can be typing A. A means your program in assembly language. Then type your segment address. Segment address is 4 times 0, and program address is 3 times 0. After that, we can be press the enter key. Enter key means we can be writing your assembly program, one line, one sentence, then press enter key, then we can be writing a second sentence, then third one. After the entering all about the program, last we can be press enter key, then the blank is came, then we can be pressing a Q key. Q key means you can be going in your the command mode. After that, going in a command mode, we can be executed your programs. At that time, press G. G means go to. Then there are seen on your screen is the bus. Then your source is your segment mode address. Segment mode address means which address. Here there are given the segment mode address is 4 times 0. We can be writing 4 times 0. Then we can be writing your offset address. Offset address means your program address. Program address is 2100. And after that, we can be press enter, then your program is executed. Okay, that is the steps that can be used for the execution of the program. Okay, now we can be starting your first program in your 8086 microprocessor is your arithmetical operations. Arithmetical operations means we know there are the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay. Now in this program, there are given your segment address is 4 times 0 and 2100. That is your program address. That's your label. Addition, mnemonics. Mnemonics means your operational code is the move, and operand. Operand means there are the AL, and we can be putting the 8-bit numbers for the performing the operation. AL, for example, we can be writing here 02. 02 is your 8-bit number. Then move DL 04. Then add AL comma DL means we can be added these two numbers 02 plus 04. The addition becomes the 06. And last instruction is the int3. The execution of this program, we can be using the 3 steps. Step number 1, 3, and 4. 1 means we can be writing this program. 3 means we can be executed this program, and step 4 means we can be see the result of your program. Okay, now we can be executed this program using the 8086 microprocessor kit. Okay, now we can be executed your program. Here is the 8086 microprocessor kit. That's your Anshuman company, Anshuman, and here is your keyboard. Okay, we can be executed your program using this keyboard. See the now see the how to execute your programs. Firstly, okay, first step, you know, the first step is the in that your chart there are given the press escape key. Then on your keyboard we can be press the escape key. Okay, we can be pressing the escape key. Then second one is the we can be press the expand key. Okay, wait. Okay, first step, press escape. Then second one is the press expand key. Then we can be press enter. After that, the LITI that can be seen on screen. Then we can be press A. A means your programming assembly language. Then your segment address is the 4 times 0. 4 times 0. Then colon and the your program address. Program address is the 2100. 2100. 2100. Then after that we can be press the enter key. Now we can be executed your addition program. The first instruction is move AL, comma, we can be given the 8-bit number, for example 04. Then enter. We can be writing the second instruction, move DL, comma 06. Then press enter. Third instruction, add AL, comma DL. And last instruction is the INT3, means halt. INT3 means halt. Okay. See again, LITY, then press A, then your segment address is the 4 times 0, then your program address is the 2100, press enter, write the first instruction, move AL, comma 06, then move DL, comma 03. Then next instruction, add AL, comma DL. Press enter. Next is the INT3. Then press 2 times enter. Okay. Then press the next key is the Q. Means command is came. Then we can be executed the program. Then press G. Go to burst. Enter. Segment mode address is your 4 times 0. Then your program address is 2100. Okay, here your program is executed. Now see the result. Then press key. Yes, substitute. Enter. Then memory is came. You are all about the result that can be came in a register. Here is the register. Then press enter. Register name. AX is the 09 is your result. 06 plus 03. That is your. Okay. It's your first program. Is your addition of the 8086. We can be executed all about the program by using these 3 steps. Step number 1, step number 3, and step number 4. Now we can be executed. Next program is the arithmetical operation, in that the subtraction. Okay, subtraction. Then press expand LITY A 4 times 0. Your program address. Here is the colon. Program address is 2200. Then we can be writing the instruction. First instruction, move AL. Then we can be given a number for subtraction is the 09. Next one is the move DL. And next number is the 05. Then we can be writing an instruction, subtract SUB AL comma DL. Means we can be subtracting DL minus AL, that is the meaning. Then enter. And last instruction is the INT3. Then we can be press 2 times enter, press Q command. Then we can be executed your program. G, go to first. What is your segment mode address? Is the 4 times 0. What is your program address? 2200. Your program is now goes in a running mode. Then we can be see the result. Then press yes, substitute, enter your result in register. 9 minus 5, 4, 0, 4. That is your register. That is your first practical assembly language program using 8086. In that there are given the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Multiplication and division also same. We can be using step number 1, 3 and 4. Same procedure. Okay. All students that can be understanding this practical is very simple. 8086 arithmetical operations. Okay. And we can be also understand the procedure of the how to operating the 8086 kit. Okay. Now we can be also see the remaining practicals in a next video.